So here I'll directly jump into Jenkins. Now, what you see here is a Jenkins which I'm running in one of my server, and the core part here in the Jenkins is the plugins and the agents, right? So plugins is where if I go to manage Jenkins and then get into plugins, plugins are a third party add-ons that you get, which you can use to achieve various operations in Jenkins with respect to CI/CD. For example, if you want to build a .NET code, it's not built into the Jenkins. You will use a plugin to do a MS build plugin to build a .NET code. And any other, if you want to zip a set of folders, you need another plugin which can do the zipping and unzipping example. So here you see, if I go to plugins manager, and if you're an admin, you will have the option to go to plugin manager, and here I can see what are the plugins that are already installed in the Jenkins instance. Example, here you will see some of the Azure related plugins are already installed, and some other plugins with respect to timeout and authentication side. And updates is a tab where you will see if any of the installed plugins have an updates available, which you can decide to install or upgrade the plugin. And available is what is the marketplace, where you can see the list of all the plugins available. You can go ahead and search for what you need. Example, if I want to use something if I want to look for the plugins on Azure, I can type in Azure, and you will see all the plugins related to Azure. So example, here this is a Key Vault plugin which will help you to connect to a Key Vault and then get properties and secrets example, right? And then each of them have a plugin. So in your day-to-day work, whenever you come across a requirement which is not directly available, you will first have to come into plugins and see if there's a plugin which will allow you to achieve that particular requirement, right? So that's on the plugins. So you will be able to install the plugin. You basically have to select the plugin which you need and then say install, and then you can go ahead and start using the plugins in your jobs and pipelines.